Uh, okay, so I just want to create a new material master, and this particular, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, now yes.
Okay, so I just want to create a new material, which is going to be batch managed, and you know that, right? Whenever if you want to, because I'm just creating a new material because for the curry, we already have the stock. Once actually you cannot directly change a material from a normal material to the batch managed material. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, maybe let's take that, let's take this, example, this is a scenario, I'm just asking you that, till today date, I did not manage my material as a batch managed material, but from tomorrow onwards, in my company I decided to implement the batch management, So how do you handle this scenario? Suppose.
There is a program available by SAP.
Yep.
We need to run that program and then all the materials can be managed, batch managed.
Yes, but what do you do for the existing stock? That is for the material type conversion, but for the stock, what you will do?
No, everything can be changed to the batch managed material.
No, for the existing stock. No, for the existing stock.
We need to post out that existing stock and then.
Yes. No, there is no need actually for that.
If you actually, that's what, if the stock is actually available for the material, then system, the data will get corrupted.
Yeah.
If you just directly execute it. Prabhajit.
Okay, I am not sure, but
no, what you said is correct. The material level you can convert it. I'm not saying material level, but for the existing stock.
No, existing stock also gets converted to, we can convert the entire stock into one particular batch number. We can create that.
Yes.
We need to post out that stock, make the material master as batch managed, then post in that stock.
That is the best practice actually, Prabhajit.
That's what I understand too. Yes, absolutely correct.
Yeah.
Right, but in full production system, it would be difficult to post out and then post in.
Yeah, but that's what actually we did in one of our earlier scenarios. But I don't know why actually SAP says that thing. But that's what they say it as a best practice. Just clear it out and then put it again back.
Yeah, right.
But that's why I just don't want to do that activity. To screw up our material.
Sure, no problem.
So now
but me
just
before. Okay, no problem. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So now, I'm just creating a new material. HYD underscore. CURB. So
The joinees are less, but
yeah, that's what also I saw.
active members are not there. Anand.
Yeah, Anand might be traveling. I'm not sure.
Naveen.
No, Anand is coming.
New Year. Sorry?
So Suraj, we are all, then you mean we are all passive members?
No. I didn't say.
Just kidding. Don't worry.
So I'm just trying to create a new material and then the basic data 2 also, and then I just want to maintain this particular the material, the sales general plant. Now I just want to maintain this particular material as a batch managed material. Now I just want to create the purchasing view also. Yep, that's good. So it's a batch managed product. So now I just want to classify our product accounting. So what actually, let's add the three characteristics, HYD underscore, this is our new material. Now this particular the material, assuming that I'm going to classify my batch on the color and the salt in the curry, and let's take the temperature as one of the characteristic, and also I just want to add the country of origin also, and then expiry date, and also that the batch status. So these features I just want to add it as a characteristics for my material, and then I just want to drive my stock based on this particular the characteristics also. So you can always use that the most of the times the standard delivered characteristics you can use it like the country of origin, expiry date, batch status. So like these are the standard SAP delivered the characteristics, and on top of this thing you can just create it how many characteristics you like it also. Now like let's take that the color I can just give the values like it may be the yellow or red, and then the green, and then for the salt I just want to give the more, medium, or the less, and then the temperature I can give any value from 20 to 50 also, and country of origin, expiry date these are the date variables, and the batch status we can just use it also. Now what actually I just want to drive my business scenario is that in PO while creating my order to the vendor itself I can specify that which batch actually I need it also, or once actually the ASN comes in I can search for the batch, I can search for the batch, and then we can assign it to the delivery in EWM. So one more thing is that if a product is always batch managed, system always expects your batch should be available, otherwise the delivery it cannot go ahead. So now let's do one thing.
This point.
Suppose whenever if a batch management is enabled for a particular product, make sure that the delivery always expects the batch in the EWM side, otherwise the delivery cannot go ahead.
So means the batch data.
Yeah, exactly, the batch data should be available. The field in the item level you have a field called as batch, at least you have to assign it. So now let us now I'm just I think most of you are already in the MM or you might have worked it, so let's create some of the characteristics. So I just want to create that the first characteristics the color, and then the salt, and then the temperature, and these three things I just want to use the SAP standard delivered one. And most of you worked on the batch selection criteria also in ERP, right? In the outbound side.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So you know right how to define that the selection criteria, and then you can use it in the outbound delivery.
Yeah.
Okay, then that's good at least. Now I just want to create my characteristic HYD underscore the color. Do you have any specific requirements in one of the warehouses that you work with the batch management? Do you have any specific requirements?
Not exactly. They only require the sorting on the basis of the shelf life. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Same here. So
Okay.
we do create batches at the time of receiving internal assignment. And the only thing that we populate is a SLED or you can say BBD. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The most common.
We don't record any characteristics. So we don't record SLED or BBD as a part of characteristic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if you want it, actually you can use it, okay, as much complex you like it, right? Okay, it's like a simple classification system only.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I mean, I would like to. I compared the batch master in ECC and in EWM. So the way I mean batch master, I mean looks in ECC. You go to MSC2 and you can see those fields. You know, production date, manufacturing date, expiry date, all those fields in the batch master. They don't exist as those fields in EWM.
Yeah.
So I was just thinking, like, if I'm maintaining a batch or I'm picking a batch as per the expiry date or something like that, in ECC, if I'm having a WM, I can just, work on that.
No, expiry date you can use it actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
but,
expiry date.
But in EWM, I have to pass on those dates from ECC in terms of characteristics. Then only I can use.
Yes. Otherwise, you can create the batches there also.
Okay, and those, because in the batch master I didn't find those fields.
No, it is there.
In EWM, so I got confused. Like, okay, what's happening here?
No, it is there.
Okay.
I
think it will get clear. Yeah.
That's what. Okay, that's what. Okay, to clear up that thing, because most of the business scenarios can run on the expiry date, right? Okay, so that's why I just want to include that particular characteristic here. So, okay, I'm just adding our first characteristic. Okay, the color. Okay. So I'm just putting it as a number of characteristics as 1, okay, and then I just in the
Descriptions.
the basic data, okay, I'm just putting it as multiple, okay,
Yes.
yeah, and then now, so this is my first characteristic. Now, same thing, I just want to create, the one more characteristic also. So I am just taking this example so that it will be more interesting to everybody. Okay. It's a character. Now the number of characters is the 4, and then I'm just giving it as the less and medium and high. So I'm just creating this another characteristic also, and let me add the another characteristic, the temperature also. So
it will convert it.
yeah. Sure, and the data type, it's in numeric. And then number of characters, I can say that 3, and then decimal places C, and unit of measurement, I can put it as centigrade. Yeah, there's a unit of measurement C. Okay, so for this thing, I'm just too many decimal places, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Because the centigrade, right? Okay. So that's fine. Okay. Now, so I just created the 3 characteristics. HYD color, HYD salt, HYD temperature. Okay. Now these are the standard characteristics. Which are provided by SAP. I think Anand joined and he seems like he left again. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Now, let me add Okay.
No, I'm
So.
here.
Okay,
Sleep.
good to hear. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, okay, I'm just out of to just combine these particular the 6 characteristics. Okay, I just want to create a class also. Okay, just to combine them. So now, and before you define the class, make sure that you define the organizational unit for the batch, so that you don't need to worry about the value while distributing it. It may not consider the all the characteristics belong to all the organizations also. Okay, so I just want to show you that the organizational the structure, how you can define that the classes. Okay, so let me SPRO IMG. Okay, SAP NetWeaver. It should be here. Class application, and then go to the classification system, and then go to the classes. Maintain the object type and the class types. So for the batch, SAP is the delivered the class is the classification, because classification is a class application tool which you can classify the materials or batches or work centers or anything. Okay, yeah. So the classification is 23 which is for the batch management. So here I can create the organization so that I can put my classification under a particular organizational unit. So make sure that the same classification is matching. This is on ECC, and then usually we map it the same thing to the number 230 on the EWM side. So most of the times this is
What is the difference between classes and characteristics?
Combination of characteristics is a class, I can say. Okay. So on what basis you want to classify your batches? Okay, that's what.
That is a class.
Yes, exactly. Under the class, it can contain multiple characteristics. Okay. So now I'm just going to the organization. So just select the MCHA. You can find the batch here. So the batch management. You can just go to the organizational areas. So just to make sure that you can see that I can use the organizational area the APO, or I can create our own here. Suppose I'm just copying these things, or you can use the same thing as a L also. So let me check whether the same thing is available under the 23. I have the same thing for the APO in the SCM system. Go to the SPRO IMG. Just go to the class application components, the basic things, classification systems, classes, maintain that the object types and class types. So here the 230 is the number. So make sure that there should be an entry for the 230 with L. You can use it. Otherwise you can create your own entry here with your like J or whatever the letter and then you can just use it. So APO version key is the one which you have to use it here for the batch management, organizational areas. So
230 is A.
Yep, 230 is A. It is used.
SPECOO. Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, that we can use it also. Yeah, that also you can use it. Otherwise, I can copy this thing, and then whatever with the way, which we can use it, So 23, so it is the 2230, yeah, 23A we can use it here. Okay. Yep. So now, if you want it, you can copy the 23 as, and then you can put whatever the letter, you just like it also.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our. Yeah, that's not actually usually we just usually we use it when we try to create the HYD, okay, when we try to put a classification, okay, now the class type is, okay, the 023, that's nothing but, okay, the batch. Yes, I want to create it. I think nobody even created any batches in this system, looks like.
It's compiling, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now okay, organizational area. Yeah,
So
we can just use.
right, always.
Yeah. Okay, unless, okay, you just want to block it. Okay. So I just want to use, okay, the organizational area. Okay. Now under 23, organizational area A. Okay. Now I just want to, okay, check it, save it, and then, okay, I just want to assign, okay, the characteristics, okay, whatever we created it. Okay. So we just created, okay, these characteristics. So I just want to, okay, assign it, okay, those particular, okay, the characteristics. Okay. So
change. No?
yeah, I just click change. Now going to the characteristics. Okay, now I just want to, okay, assign, okay, the characteristics, okay, like, okay, the HYD, okay, HYD, sorry,
It should come from, it doesn't automatically pop up, or?
no, you have to put, okay, the characteristics, right? Okay, so Hyderabad color, okay, and then, okay, the HYD underscore, okay, the salt, okay, and, okay, the HYD underscore, okay, the temperature. Okay, now apart from that, okay, I just want to add, okay, these things also, the country of origin, expiry date, okay, and the batch status also, and all that, okay, the standard characteristics, okay, they are available, okay, with the name starts with, okay, the LOBM.
We have that.
Yeah, so I can just, I can just find it out. Okay, they are huge number. Okay, yeah, okay, let me put, okay, the country of origin.
We have that.
Yep.
Country of origin.
Okay, so I just I just added, okay, the country of origin, and then, okay, let me add, okay, the other things also, the expiry date, or, okay, the production date. Okay, expiry date. Yep, I just want to add, okay, the expiration date. Okay,
second from the bottom.
BFDAT.
yes. Okay, expiration date. Okay, and also that, okay, the batch status. Okay, whether it is, okay, whether we want to, okay, release the batch, or, okay, there is a characteristic, okay, for the batch status.
Batch state. Usage status of batch last one.
Yep. Okay. Okay. I know that, okay, they're all going to start with LOBM, but, okay, we cannot remember, okay, all the fields. Okay, now if you just want to, okay, use, okay, the organizational areas also, if you want it, okay, you can just, okay, use it, so that, okay, it will help you, okay, while distributing it.
Okay.
Srini,
Yep.
is there any limit how many characteristics we can use to a batch? Class? No limit, right?
Maybe, okay, how many entries, okay, you can put it in this table, but, okay, I have not ever faced that issue, Anand. Maybe not more than, okay, 10. I have not seen any characteristics.
Okay.
Either, okay, the characteristics, color, or, okay, the temperature, or, okay, the manufacturing place. You can separate it as much you like it, but the problem is that, okay, as the classification characteristics are becoming huge, okay, the performance will go down.
Okay.
Because, okay, it need to put the stock with the multiple characteristics. Okay, now I created, okay, the class. Okay, now I just want, okay, now we created a class, HYD underscore class. Now I just want to, okay, link, okay, my material, okay, for that particular, okay, this is the material, HYD underscore, okay, the curry batch. Okay, this is the material, okay, which we just created it. Okay, Now I just want to add. Yeah. So now I just want to add that particular classification. Now I just want to create that classification view for my material. Now this is the class which we created. HYD underscore the classification. What happened?
Okay. 023.
Yeah,
023.
that's what it.
Zero. Yeah.
Yep.
Go back.
No, it should be allowed actually.
Okay.
My class type is 0, 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Change. Weird
That's
system.
what. It should. Yeah, usually the default one. It's 23 always in the system. It should come. Now just saving my classification. Now I just want to create some batches, and then I want to distribute it along with my product also. So now once I create my material, now
One thing here. Are we maintaining all the batches at material level here or plant level? Do we have to check that?
Usually we put it at the plant level, or you can put it at the material. If I'm correct that
It should be, I think, minimum requirement. It should be at the material level.
Yeah.
Plant level will not, right?
Yes. Maybe I can
Mostly
just
people use at material level.
Can you go and check, make sure in the pro?
Yep. Usually we put the batches
It's a training system. Who knows who is playing around?
Okay.
Somebody is already
Yeah.
your setting.
Yeah. Because I not even check that setting also. Otherwise I would have gone directly to the menu path.
It's in logistics journal.
Yeah. So
Logistics journal, and there we will see batch management.
yep.
It should be specify batch level and active status management. That's the one. So batch level.
Yep, that's correct.
We are good.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's the one thing which we can do it. Now I just want to create the batch master data. Do you know somebody know the transaction code already?
TF1.
No, batch master data.
MSC1N.
MSC1N.
Yep. Otherwise you can go to the materials and then go to the material master and then the batch, and then I can just you can go and create it. I'm very poor at remembering the transaction codes.
But you are very good at remembering the navigation, and I am very poor on that.
Now so I just want to create the HYD our first batch in the plant the HYDP so So I'm just we are just creating our first batch. Okay, it is the Hyderabad. Okay, we're producing. Okay, assuming that we're going to create the now. I can just give.
So first batch needs to be created manually and sent across.
Yeah, you can do that thing, or on the fly you can make a settings that when the GR happens, or the batch can create it automatically also.
Okay.
So when the inbound delivery comes, it will assign a batch automatically to it.
Sure.
Okay. Now, and then if you want it, I'm just putting it as an unrestricted use, and then going to that. Sorry, I just want to put even that the country of origin also. Now going to the classification. Now the color. I just want to select the color. We defined the three colors. One is red, yellow, green curries. So my first curry is a red curry for the first batch. And then the salt. It's a medium salt. And the temperature. It is at the 24.
Can you make it spicy?
So
yeah, you can do that thing.
Origin, this is being copied from the material master, right?
Which one?
US country of origin.
No, we just entered US.
Yep.
Okay, we entered it.
Yeah.
What it is expecting is a temperature, right? So 20.00.
Yeah.
It's not
Three zeros.
Comma, put comma.
No, it's on.
No,
yeah,
three
that's
zeros.
what.
One more zero.
No. It's only two characteristics.
No. You put 2 and 3.
2 comma. It's expecting 2 comma
more
00.
One.
Yeah. Let's try. Yeah. See, because the problem here is that because of the, if you look at actually, if you go to the own data, it's because of this fucking the user profile settings. I'll show you. If you go to that the default, sorry. This is the problem.
Okay.
It's in the German one. It's not 1000. 1.000. So now creating the first batch. Let us create the second batch also. HYD I'm just now, or you can just put this thing as Germany.
Srini,
Yeah.
what is the standard practice? We will create while receiving the goods, or we will create the batches first and then we will attach the
it depends on that the business scenario, Suraj. You can have both the options. Yeah, it actually depends on some people actually will be, suppose if the vendor actually see, let's take that you know that usually let's take that in the purchase order itself you will specify that what batch of metals you exactly want from the vendor.
Right.
So usually in the procurement,
time you will put
most of usually most of the, if you go look at for any original equipment manufacturers, usually the suppliers put the register their batches with them, and then usually the customers will ask for a specific batch in the purchase order itself. Because why it is different is that because even you can run your pricing based on the batch also.
Oh.
Because the same material, if it is belong to a different batch, I can put it as a more price, and if it is a different batch, I can put it as a less price also. Suppose the same product, if it is manufactured in China, it's a one price. If it is manufactured in Mexico, I can put it as a different price also.
Oh, okay.
You can see that, you can sense the business requirement, right?
Yeah.
So that's the one actually which drives actually. I can show you in the purchase order.
Oh.
Now.
The concept is clear.
Yeah.
That's not an issue.
Yeah.
Actually, I haven't worked in the batch area.
No, I'm just telling you. Where and all. You can just use it.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. So Now, okay, this curry is like a yellow curry. Okay, and okay. Hey, Anant, okay, we don't have anything, okay, to make it as a spicy. I can make only salt as high only.
Go to masala.
Yeah, okay, so we don't have any characteristics for masala, okay. Now, we created, okay, these 3 characteristics, okay. Now, what actually, okay, I just want to do is that, okay, these characteristics and as well as, okay, the class also, along with our material, okay, I just want it, okay, to transfer it to the other system also. So, our, okay, the same old story. So go to that, okay, the CFM1. Now one more thing is that, okay, usually that, okay, whether the batch is transferred or not, it will not be registered in the log, okay. So if you want to actually even enable the log, okay, for that, okay, the CF, okay, you can enable it in the CFC6. Okay, so CFC6, okay, you can enable, okay, the log, okay, for the batch, because, okay, it will call, okay, the CIF product, okay, the batch inbound, okay. So you can just enable that, okay, the log, okay, for the batch management also. So CIF, okay, the batch send, okay, this is the function module. Usually, okay, that will be called on the APO side. So if you want to enable the application logging, okay, for this function module, you just need to enable it. So for every CIF, okay, you just need to enable it. If you want to have a detailed application log. Now, in this particular interface, okay, I just want to put only that, okay, the batch number, okay, to the include it in the application log. And then what else you want it, okay? I just want to put only the material number also, let's put it. And then if you want it, okay, you can just put that, okay, okay, so you can put whatever the fields, okay, you want to be available in the application log. Just, okay, save it. This is only to just to put, okay, the application log, okay, to have it much more clear view. So that it helps you, okay, you can just debug it also. Now, I'm just going to the original transaction code, okay, the CFM1. Our logical system. Now, the material. Okay, the material, okay, which we created is, okay, the HYD underscore, okay, the curry batch. Okay, the plant is, our plant is HYDP, okay. Now, apart from these things, okay, I just want even transfer, okay, the batches also for my material. Now, even, okay, I want to send, okay, those particular, okay, the characteristics. So, yeah. So if you want to go to the send the characteristics, there is a one more checkbox here. You can see it's material independent objects. So you can just go to the classes and characteristics. Okay. Now the organizational area indicator.
A.
Yeah, that is ours is A.
Class
023A. Okay. Now class type is batch. Yeah. Where is our 23? I just want to send, okay, the classification system, okay. Now, I'm just executing it, or CFM1. Okay, now generating that, okay, the integration model. Now, going back. CFM2. I know that, okay, we are going to face that error because, okay, that note is not available. So we'll manually, okay, push the material. Yeah. Okay. Just activated that, okay, the integration model, and then, okay, want to try to push that, okay, the material to the our other system. No supplying plant found error. Okay. Okay, so, oh, this guy is locked, huh? Okay, let me kick off this guy, Kalyan.
Anand,
You don't know
friend.
What's that?
I'm saying your best friend is locking our queue.
Yeah.
don't know what this guy is. Okay, I think he's doing okay the APO class, because APO always distribute the data through CIF only.
Srini, I recall like we have to maintain in 023 class one more characteristic SP underscore dummy.
You need to do that thing. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, if you want to classify your characteristics alone based on the expiry date.
Okay.
Because expiry date that itself is a that expiry date that itself is a characteristic.
Okay. Okay.
You got that
not
right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Characteristic.
So-
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
What is the problem?
When I click ignore, I'm getting that time zone is not maintained.
Okay. Okay, let me try to see. Okay. First of all, okay.
I think you are using different client or a different server.
Characteristic P underscore. Okay, the 02 could not be getting created.
What is that?
Okay. Anyway, okay. What is the problem?
Will we try maintaining that SP underscore? And maybe that works. I don't know.
No, this actually, I just want to know what is that characteristic. Okay, first of all, okay. P02, P03, I did not even, okay.
Created, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It could not be created. Okay, so I just want to see that the reason, because anyway these are all okay. I'm not even interested in these characteristics also.
I mean, that is showing for number 22.
Sorry.
I mean, these are number 22 problem class.
Oh, that is.
Not 20 errors.
Yep. There is a count.
Maybe these are already existing in the system and try to send it to SCM?
No, I don't think so. Okay, first of all, I just want to see if it is there. Okay, it will just overwrite it also. Okay, it's already existing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
These all are default characteristics or what? We did not create it, right?
yeah. So what I can do is that, okay, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Just give me a minute. Okay. CFM1. Okay. I hope, okay, the standard characteristics, okay, may be already available. Okay, I can distribute them, okay, separately. Okay, what all it's coming? I just want to see. Okay, Hyderabad color. Okay, and Yeah, because all LOB are coming. Okay, maybe what we can do is that okay, I can just restrict it. Okay, whatever we want it only.
Exactly.
Because somebody okay might have transported okay already those things. Okay, so what I can do is that for the time being,
So to enter physically the
yeah, no, I'll do one thing. Okay, let me put only the HYD first, and then okay, I'll transfer the LOB later. LOD characteristics later. Okay. Because the problem is that okay, if I try to transfer the batch okay without the characteristics, okay, it will fail also. That's the problem is there. Why it's coming all this okay, the PAP quoted everything. Should not come right.
We need to put opposite not equal to pop.
No, see, it should come. It should come only the values. Okay, that starts with only that. Okay, the excludes. Okay. Okay, let me try. I think the system is actually. Should not come, so that's why I'm just surprised to see.
Very rigid. Yeah, what?
Screen is very slow. It will not.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Srini,
Yep.
you enter physically the
Okay.
don't go with the star, yeah. Just
Yeah.
type.
Yep.
Yeah.
H1D underscore. Okay. The salt. Why it's not even coming yet? It has to come, right? Why it's not even the input help itself is not coming, so okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, let it actually okay. What I can do is that okay, let it be like this thing. No. Okay, so I'll just leave this thing as blank here. Okay, if anything, okay, exclude okay those things. Okay, starting with okay the P star. Okay, because okay anyway we are facing the error only with the P star only. So, oops, they were huge.
Increase.
Oh, now I got it actually. It is treating, okay, there's no link between, okay, these, among these selection conditions, it's treating them as independent. So if I put that condition, right, okay, it's taking all the characteristics, okay, except, okay, the starting with, okay, the P0 star.
Correct, remove that.
At least, okay, if I put this condition, okay, it is acting like a AND condition. A and then 0, 2, 3 and, okay, this condition. If I put that thing, it's going for the NOT condition and then, okay, it is going crazy. Okay, now, why this is available still? It has to be, right? This should go away.
Srini, keep the minus sign.
Yeah.
Not here, not here, not here. Not here in the other previous one. Just click on that red one. And select the minus sign.
Delete.
Okay.
Yeah, here, yeah. Delete row.
Delete.
Anything, both are correct.
Sorry, okay.
Yeah, delete row is fine.
Now add it up.
Oh, okay.
Now go to the arrow. Add it up.
Okay.
Now add it up.
Let us try it up. If it works properly, then okay, good thing to you. Okay, at least now it is much better. Okay, yep. Let's okay try with these things. Okay. Now.
Again, by 23 characteristics.
Yeah, that okay. The selection options. Okay, it's getting. I just want to use it also. Okay, usually I put it as individual entries only. That's one thing. Okay, now
It should not be the 23.
Okay. Yep.
So it should not be the 23.
How come this time okay it finished so fast? That means is the material also went successfully or what? I'm doubt.
Yeah, let's see.
Huh? Are you sure? I doubt about the system. Okay, I don't believe in these systems. Okay, if my system okay goes so much easily. Okay, where is that system? Not here, not here, not
Check
here.
if it is there showing.
It's not even okay. This system. Where is that other system? SCM system. Okay. Okay, so okay. Oh, what? How come there are no queues also? That means okay, the product got created successfully. I doubt. This is a miracle that something they did it. Okay. Sorry, let me first.
System is
Okay.
ready for batches.
Huh?
System is
That is-
ready for batches.
No, I just want to see, okay, our material, okay, if see, if the material itself is available, okay, then that's a great news actually in this system.
Sini already put into a final bin also.
Yeah, see, the material itself actually is not came actually, HYDCURB. That is why I was surprised to see that, okay, when this thing, okay.
This middleware is not much good compared to some.
Yeah. So let me, okay,
CF.
now I know the problem, okay. So let me delete, okay, those integration models so that, okay. Okay, first I need to make them as inactive. Okay, that's okay, the 12 and 13, okay, 11, 12, 13, okay. So
How do you make them inactive? What is the tcode, Srini?
the same thing only if you go just okay. Same thing, okay, when you just go to the CFM2, okay, otherwise okay, if you go to the CFM2, you
Sundar,
just, okay,
use
go-
CF 1 to 6, you'll get all.
yeah. So just okay, like this thing.
Okay.
So Sundar, are you practicing?
EW12 also. Hey Anand, what about you?
Sini, I want your which client IP you are using. My new servers are not working.
Who is that?
some junior EWM guy.
Sundar, she got annoyed, huh?
That's why I surprised to see that, okay, if my queue goes so much fast, right, I don't believe the system. Okay, I know how my system, oh, why this is, okay, I deactivated them, right, so why still it is showing them as active only.
This is a asynchronous call, right? It's not like one-to-one direct connection, correct?
Yeah,
It's a queue, right?
Yeah.
And then it will be slow only. Yeah, it won't go immediately.
And which one? Okay, we tried it. Okay, if I go to the thing, it was 12. Okay. And now what I can do is that, okay, active or inactive. Okay. Let me try, okay, to distribute it again. No, because this is also the problem, okay. Let me make this as inactive. Because it's the same material, okay.
That button, check button. Check is what?
Sorry?
What is the purpose of that check button?
No, just to check, okay, whether everything is correct or not.
Right.
Okay. So this, okay, this is anyway, it's not relevant for us. Okay. Okay, so this is good. So 12 and 13 and okay, 11 also let me deactivate. Now, okay, 11.
13 to 11.
Okay, 11, 12, 13 are okay, got deactivated now. So if I go to that, okay, there are the three programs, okay, which we had to run it, okay, otherwise, okay. This model, okay. Now why this actually is not getting reflected, okay. Let me try this thing way, otherwise, okay. EW13. It's saying that it is active. That means the database is not getting saved, okay. I cannot delete it here in this status. Even what is the other way is that, okay, let me do one thing. Let me check whether anything is okay pending here. Nothing is here. So MQ1. Anyway, these are all not at all related to our queues, but okay.
Material grab is there.
Maybe Kalyan's.
Yeah, but okay, sometimes okay, if it is. Why this integration model? If somebody is also okay, lost the SIF mode.
Srini, in the real-time scenario, these kind of issues are likely to arise?
No.
Yeah.
We just okay we'll put them as a background job, okay, which will trigger it immediately when the material or batch master get created based on change pointers.
Oh.
Okay, let me reorganize. Okay.
But we will get this kind of issues in there. Why not?
That's what I'm asking.
Srini, all this will be handled by basis or what?
Functional.
Or you need to handle?
Functional.
No, means that
Yeah.
Then you need to be a little slow, Srini. These kind of issues, I would request you a little bit of slow and thoroughly explain. You know,
Yeah. See, what actually, now what the problem here is that if the same material, okay, got logged in, okay, the two SIF models, the latest one, okay, the queue assume that, yeah, because the other guy is taking care of my material, so I don't bother. So I will give success message. That's the way how this SIF works.
yeah.
So that's why, okay, we got, okay, that RI model. Okay, let me get that. Okay, there are 3 programs, okay, which we can activate or, okay, the deactivate, okay, the integration model, okay.
Who is that? What's that noise?
Anand.
Hey. I'm making nice.
Yes, man. Some noise is in background.
No, I don't know what kind of noise. So like that. Maybe that is because of the integration model is failing.
Now, okay, it got saved, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13.
30.
Okay, let me delete, okay, even these things also which we are not interested. See, it's not actually even though I gave everything, okay, it's not deactivated all of them also. The system is, okay, it's doing half-baked eggs always.
We're not updating the database.
Yeah, that's what I came to know. See, even though, okay, the system shows that, okay, deactivated all of them, it is still, okay, it's not, that's fine for us, okay. Now, let's, okay, start with, okay, the review, okay, 15 onwards, okay. Material and then plant, okay. And then, okay, the batches. And then, okay, I just want, okay, even to send that, okay, the characteristics also. And then, okay, here, okay, HYD star, okay. Now, let me execute this. One more thing, okay, here is that, okay. I just want, sorry. I just want to give the material and also the plants. Okay. Now, generating that, okay, the integration model. Okay, let's try in this case, okay. CFM2. Okay. Now, going here. So this time, okay, it should take, okay, some time, okay, to transfer it. Now, okay, it started, okay, to transfer that, okay, those particular things.
If it takes time, means it is successfully passing, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's fine, okay, that, okay, the PAP, okay, the quoted, okay, could not be created, okay. Okay, what I can do is that, okay, I can go back to the EWM and then, okay, delete all these things. Okay, now.
No.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, usually, okay, if the characteristic is available, okay, it should overwrite. Okay, I think that setting is not enabled in the batch management. Okay, override the characteristics. Okay, pap underscore quoted. Okay, we can do manually these things. Okay, so I can go here. What you can do is that, okay, you can just simply go here. if you go to this particular queue, okay, this is the one actually, okay, which contains, okay, the characteristics, okay. I just want to see that, okay, the data of this queue also. If it contains only one single characteristic, okay, let me see that, okay, how many entries, okay, this thing contains, oh, this itself is containing, okay, everything, okay, ITCABN, okay, so all these, okay, the PAP ones, okay, we can just delete it in the debugger. Is it clear?
Debugger. Oh.
My goodness.
First, you guys should have known a little bit learning about the debugging and ABAP programming also.
All these
Right.
PAP.
Correctly said. By Anand.
Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, you can just go
Everyone,
here.
Anand is saying that come to me also now.
Okay, good. So tomorrow
You got
morning,
it, man. You got it.
tomorrow morning.
Anand,
But at free of cost, huh?
Yeah, free of
Yeah,
cost. That is our-
Yeah, I can teach you,
Correct.
okay, the basics of debugging for the functional guys also. It's interesting, okay, if you learn it, it will help you a lot of places also, like these kind of things, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, very,
Hey,
very useful,
Everywhere the requirements also coming with the debugging knowledge only.
hey, Srini,
yeah.
don't teach you too much because we will not have any work then.
Well, you are learning functional, so we will not have work. We can say the same thing.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Okay, now I just want to keep a breakpoint.
Anand, you have to say another other way here.
How?
Yeah, if somebody can learn, okay, the sideways unwired platform for the technical guys is really in good demand.
What, Sybase?
Unwired
What is that?
platform. It's for the technical guys, okay. Now, okay, let's go to that, okay, quickly to the ITC ban. It's only 23 entries, okay. This one, we don't want it, okay. Now, PAP quoted, PAP color, PAP, all PAP, P grade.
See, daily you are showing above debugger. I'm scared though.
No, because usually, okay, because of these characteristics, okay. Okay, now I'm just, okay, going here, delete the rows.
Where you went?
Tables.
Just tables, okay. Now I hope, okay, these 10, okay, will be posted, okay. LOBM, okay. HS date, okay. Quantity date, okay. These things, okay. WSTD, okay.
No.
Now, okay, let's, okay, try to continue. I just want to see it. Successfully we posted. Okay, now this is also the characteristics, so I just want to see, okay, this is a PAP P grade is there, okay, in this thing, okay. Good thing. I just want to finish off this PAP P grade. What is the issue with this PAP P grade? Again, okay, the breakpoint at the function module, our SIF product, okay, the SIF batch inbound. This is the SIF characteristics inbound. Press F8. This is the breakpoint which we already kept it. Go to the our CBAN. There is an issue with all the PAP guys. Oops. So many things. Okay, there is nothing like a select all. They should give one for select all.
In the next version we'll get that one.
What is this function? How did you select that function module, Srini?
In the debugger it is there, right? In the
tables.
Now.
Okay.
Enough. Three more. Yeah, stop. Yeah, that's it. Then again from the bottom. Those are correct.
Srini, But in the real scenarios, how will we handle this kind of situations? Like we will also delete or do something like that, or how we will fix this thing? Not this. We have to fix on the configuration side only, right?
Yes, yes. Okay, what is this string? Master data missing for characteristic number.
3000.
Oops. It's trying to pass all kinds of characteristics, okay? What I can do is that, okay, if the characteristics passed, okay, let me do one thing, execute, okay, characteristic, okay, pap underscore, okay, p underscore, okay, grade could not be getting created, okay, let me do one thing, okay, pap p grade, right, okay. We need to even delete that, okay, the corresponding entries in the other things also, so. No, usually, okay, if I can just fix that, okay, the selection criteria there, the best thing is that, okay, put an user exit and put only the characteristics, okay, which belong to us. That's the most easiest one. Okay, the first one, okay, it worked properly for the thing. I think there is a characteristic, okay, that got missed out here, so why, first of all, all these other characteristics also get selected, that's the problem.
Maybe the filtering is not working.
Yeah.
Is it because you are selecting the batches in CFM1 and it is selecting all the batches and stuff?
No, it's not selecting all the batches, the problem is only with the characteristics only.
So maybe, I don't know, I mean, if we can just select, and select the batches and try to send only the 0, 2, 3 and A.
Yeah, exactly, that's the most easiest one, that's what I felt now. Okay.
Yeah, maybe Srini, you can pass one by one characteristics and
yeah.
That's what I also suggested
Is it possible
initially.
like that, or you are just saying?
Yeah, it's possible. So, okay, how many more are there? Okay, TPL1, okay, then. Okay, serious, okay. These are the things, okay, now, okay, these are, okay, the texts also. Oops, so how many entries are here?
Anand,
Hey, Sundar?
your system is, I think, creating a noise, Anand.
Really? Maybe my fan or something? I don't know. Sorry.
Oh, maybe.
Anyway, these are only the text only.
Anand, we can understand that Srini is doing your work.
Now, okay,
Don't do like this.
Yeah, now, okay, these are also the problem, okay, the MCHA, okay, MCH1.
Hey, Sundar.
Yeah, tell me, Anand.
What kind of noise you are getting? No, what kind of noise you are getting?
Why you are getting all the doubts?
Okay, only others are not getting nice?
Yes.
Is it only I am getting nice or others are also getting nice?
Coffee maker.
Everyone.
Yeah, I'm not getting any noise, man. No, any unwanted noises I am not making.
Okay, let me try with this thing.
Anand, anything about Friday night?
Yeah, concentrate on the debugging, man. not on something else.
Master data for characteristic number. What is that error actually? Okay, this thing, okay, anyway, let us do one thing. Let me, okay, delete the characteristic, okay. Now, delete the characteristic also. This, okay, is the batch management. Okay, let me try to post this thing at least, okay, if it posted successfully or not. Oh, because this is a QRFC, so it cannot be posted because, okay, it's waiting for the other queue also.
Okay.
Yeah, so we cannot do these things, okay. That's the problem here. Let's, okay, do one thing. Let's only try to push only those particular things only. Okay, let me deactivate, okay, this EW15 also. If I just want to push it, okay. How can I, okay, in the test selection itself, okay, we can say that, okay, it has to select, sorry. Now, anyway, even, okay, I can just set it and then, okay, debugger also I can just filter it out those what is all the selection criteria. So CFM1, let us try, okay, all the options, okay, whatever we have it here, logical system, application, okay, the material, okay, now, okay, this is, okay, the thing. Now I just want to, okay, send, okay, see the batches and as well as, okay, the characteristics also. Now, okay, let me get, okay, those particular characteristics also.
Exactly. Enter
That also, okay.
physical.
Sorry. Temp salt color, okay, or okay, I can just directly go to that, okay. If I just put, okay, the HYD star, okay, it has to select only those particular things only. So let me select, okay, the HYD star, okay, that, okay, to HYD star. If I put like this thing, okay, if you want to see what actually it selects, okay. No, still actually it is trying to select all these things. The
Maybe some bug in the
one. Yeah, so it's not selecting other things also, the PAP, paper size, PAP, P grade, other things. Okay, let me, this filter is only for the view purpose only, so what is that? Okay, it's PAP star, right? Okay, everything is, okay, the PAP star, okay.
Srini,
Yeah, yep,
just directly put those 4 characteristics and see how it goes.
yep. I just want to put only one, okay, we'll see.
Yeah, try one.
First time I have seen this thing in my system, okay, it selects it properly.
Yeah,
I
this
think
is
there is some
system,
problem
right?
in the system because when I try to copy the plant, the evaluation area is not getting copied. So that means wrong with the system. So
Okay, let
Yeah,
me
this is a
try.
training
Okay.
system, so
So if it selects, okay, see it's selecting always 23, even whatever the value you put it, it's always selecting 23.
right. So that means there is some problem with this program.
Srini, come back and start fresh with only one characteristic. It needs pure.
Yes, can you delete all the models, etc., etc., and start
Can you
from
run it
scratch.
again? Can you run it again and see what batch it is taking? Can you run it again?
Sorry?
Don't come back once
Can you-
again.
What batch it is taking? Let's see.
No.
We didn't take the rest of the data.
Sorry, come again?
Can you run it again?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do it.
Is Subjot Singh there? He's sleeping.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, there. Okay.
No.
Sleeping.
You're not
Suraj.
hearing.
Suraj,
Suraj is already sleeping, man.
Suraj.
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's there.
Now I agree. Active member.
You got my point, huh? See,
Client,
if-
client.
because he's not active by the other way, he will be active by some noise also.
What otherwise, okay, there is other solution is that, okay, go here and then, okay, what we can do is that, okay, I can find it out, okay, what are all these characteristics like, okay, the PAP, P grade and those things, okay, we can delete those things from SCM system for the time being.
So is it picking up our batch if you go back?
Yeah, it's picking up the batch.
It's the correct batch it is picking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
Hey,
picking
that
batch
we have-
and also extra batch.
Yeah,
But we
it's
have to
picking the batch,
delete in
okay,
ERP, not EWM, right?
No, in ERP, okay. What I can
ERP
do
only
is that-
try to send those additional characteristics to EWM.
Yeah.
We have to fix in
No. The
ERP.
problem is that the problem is that, okay, those characteristics are already available.
Available in SCM system, or you mean in ECC?
Available in SCM system. Or it may be the wrong thing also. So let us try one thing. Okay, what I can do is that just give me, let's try in this way. Okay.
Yeah. Shall we try create another organization Z and allocate that
Yeah,
to?
that is the best thing I can say actually.
Okay.
Okay, I will say that, okay, always, okay, that is the best thing. Okay, let me, okay.
What is best thing?
I can create, okay, the one more, okay, let me delete it, okay, very quickly. Let me just let's give a last try on that thing and then we can,
Sure.
yeah, and then, okay, I can create another organization unit also on top of that thing.
You are very good in deleting.
The system is also much far. Yeah, these are all, okay, we'll face it, okay, in the implementation projects also, don't worry. Don't worry, Anand.
Yeah, then only we will feel the real heat.
Yeah, of course.
Otherwise, there is no fun.
Otherwise, okay, there's no fun in it.
It's not going to be vanilla, right?
Yeah.
So,
If it is vanilla, we don't need a Sundar.
yes, sir.
Then client is like, okay.
They don't
No
need us.
gain without pain.
There should not be vanilla.
You can add additional characteristics like hot pepper, like spicy,
Yeah.
etc. Then it can work.
Yeah, of course. And then okay, the pepper size. Okay, I hope okay this thing. Okay, we already deleted it.
Srini,
Yeah.
Srini, at the end of the course, at least we will have some biryani outside with all of us.
Yeah.
Because
That's okay. That's what we are going to construct a kit actually.
So you almost like preparing different types of food, but just and at the end of the class we need to have something.
Yeah, we can okay do that thing. Okay, when the kitting
But-
kit to stock scenario.
But you need to send the recipe, Anand.
It will be
No, Srini already knows.
Anand, it will be non-vegetarian.
I will remove the pieces and I will eat the vegetarian stuff.
That's okay. That's the one good advantage being in the US.
Anand, are you vegetarian?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, if the last one also did not work, okay, we'll create one more organizational unit and then, okay, we can just try that thing.
Okay.
That's the best solution I can say. Now, that's what, okay, in the initial thing, okay, I thought of, okay, creating a, because I always, okay, go by, okay, whenever even for any client implementation, okay, I always create, okay, my own organizational area and then go implement all my things. Otherwise, okay, it will be keep on, okay, causing a problem for us. Then click start. Okay, now at least I want to see there should not be any error with the model. At least, okay, the product only should give me the error. I don't know, this time it took much more time. Oops, have I not deleted, okay, this characteristic, okay, D001?
Deleted.
No, I deleted, I think so. Okay, let me D001. Oh, oops, this thing I forgot to delete it, sorry.
So HCM. You're deleting in HCM?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I hope, okay, this is SCM system. Yeah, this is SCM only.
No, you can delete anywhere, everywhere.
No, that's fine. We don't bother about, okay. Let's ignore this thing. Okay, QRFC monitor, okay, if I just go here, okay. Now, oops, the problem is that now, okay, this one, okay, it may be succeeded, okay. Okay.
Hey, Puneet.
Hey, one more thing. Okay, we can do one thing. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Now if
Hey,
I just
Puneet.
finish this thing, okay, it should be finished.
1 second. Yeah,
Wake up, man.
I'm not sleeping.
Okay.
No, master data missing for characteristic number. Okay, because no, this is another error. Okay, we are getting it. Okay. So let me do one thing. Okay, I can create a separate organizational unit area, and then okay, we can put everything in there. Otherwise, okay, this is going to cause okay the problem for us.
Anand, you travel today?
No, not this week and next week. In April. Working from home.
Okay.
Guys, okay, we can just fix this thing. Okay, maybe you also just try this thing. Okay, just class application, classification system. Okay, let me try this thing. Okay, the classes. Okay, maintain that. Okay, the object type. Okay, and the class types.
Copy A.
Yep. This is a simple thing only. So
Yep.
batch organizational areas. Okay, 023. Okay, let me copy this thing only for
Okay.
Srini,
okay.
what is the use of this organizational area here?
It basically restricts the batch selection. So whenever if I create a batch, I can create all of those things belong to this particular organizational area only.
Okay.
It's like separation of those things only. So that when I transfer it, it does not Now once I created J there, now let's go to our SCM system. The API
Class you have to
key.
change, Srini.
Yeah.
The class you have to change.
Yeah, in the master data. So sorry, not in the master data. Go to the cross application here. Go to the classification. Now go to the classes. Okay. Now in the APO version key. Now 23, 230, and then it is J. Okay, that's good now. So this is the one way. Now just going there in the ERP system. Now just going to the class here. Okay, first let me check it in the characteristic.
Nice, man.
No, this is not required actually.
Yeah.
So okay, that's okay. I just want to go to the the class. Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, so just save them. Now
No, it's be okay.
let me try it.
Material. Srini, material you have that.
No, what actually you mean to say in the material?
That same thing, what is it? MM02.
No, in the material, okay, what is the issue actually?
That you have a organization.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Class.
I don't think you will have it here, Suraj.
Okay.
Okay,
No
here it's
problem.
only the classification.
Sorry.
That is only the, no issues.
No
The
problem.
class only gets assigned here. Inside the class, I know that.
Okay, no problem.
Suraj,
Mm-hmm.
did you
Yes, sir.
practice yesterday?
No.
That's why.
Yeah, you are right. Batch started today.
See?
Okay.
Lovely.
Huh?
You made it.
That's, yeah. See, this would have done it earlier, okay. But even, okay, that, okay, the system, okay, because of that thing, it should select it, but this is, okay, there is somebody did not apply the notes properly, okay.
So we just copied into the different
Organizational area. So now, yeah, let me, okay, delete, okay, the old integration models properly so that, okay, we don't, okay, face that, okay, the issues, okay, with the integration model.
It was nice.
Also, yeah, so the last integration model, okay, I just want to, okay, delete those things also so that, okay, it does not affect, okay, yep, this is the one. So just, okay, deactivating this thing so that I can start, okay, freshly from the RA mod delete. So these are the programs, okay, very useful, okay, if you are working with SIF, okay, I can just, there is a one SIF, okay, error handling guide is available. So if you have that thing always, okay, that will be very helpful. Tomorrow, okay, I just want to distribute all the materials also properly.
I think we have no class tomorrow, right?
No. Okay, so now let us, okay, go to that, okay, the CFM1. Now, okay, this time, okay, I just want, okay, if it is, so you got it right, okay, what are the problems, okay, you may face it, okay, why the organizational area is also important, okay, because I don't want to, okay, combine with others also. That's what, okay, I always do any client, okay, I always tell them that, okay, for the EWM, okay, we want to separate organizational area for the batch management, at least for the APO perspective. Okay, now Z23, okay, now that's good. EW17, FM2, okay, now, okay, just go here, just, okay, click on start here. Yep, now transfer the model type, everything.
Beautiful.
Okay. So we'll get only the product error only, that no supplying plant found. That anyway we can just fix it up, okay, in the debugger. No, this is a problem, okay, with these kind of systems also. In the normal system, okay, you just simply go to the S note and then see here. That's beautiful thing. Okay, the no supplying plant, okay, found, okay, for this thing, okay, HYD, okay. That means, okay, the characteristics, everything, okay, got updated. Now go to here. Now, if you look at, okay, all the earlier queues, okay, got cleared up. Okay, only the product queue only. If you look at actually here. Okay,
what is the supplying plant error, Srini? I could not understand.
Because actually, if you look at, okay, that one, suppose, okay, I'll tell you this thing. Okay, go here. No supplying plant. Okay, if you go here, okay, because okay, there is a note missing in the system.
Oh.
Okay, so SR, okay, 053 is okay.
No, that's my query is why supply plant terminology comes into picture. It
Yeah,
is,
exactly. No, because okay, there's a note missing in this thing. Okay, because it assumes that okay, the APO is also the scenarios are activated in the system, and then it's trying to create those things also STO scenarios. So that's why it okay. That's what okay. I sent you in the initial classes. Okay, I sent you a note also. Okay, so now we can just okay. We know already these things. Okay. Okay, so now this is the one. Okay. Oops. Why? What happened? Okay. I kept the watch point, right? Okay. What is the problem? Why it not even stop there? Message number. What is it? Message ID? It is SR, right? Okay. This is okay for the product distribution, okay. For the material distribution, now it goes to the okay, the SAP APO, okay, the SIF product inbound, okay. There is a function model SAP APO DM plant maintain, okay. SAP, I think it gone out of it, okay. Function F8. Oops, it's not even okay. The debugger okay is not stopping, so that's what the problem. Okay. No supply plant. Come on. Is it something not matching or okay? I can put it also. Message number equal to 053. Yeah, that is good. Okay. Now, okay, it goes here. Okay. Anyway, I'll just load this thing, okay? We can just okay stop for the day.
Yeah,
this will take okay some time.
We are sleepy also.
Yeah. I'll just okay fix this thing, okay? Because anyway, this is nothing, okay? The batch is getting created okay, successfully now. This is anyway our product error because this breakpoint is not stopping. That's the only problem.
Okay.
Okay. I'll
So
just
when is the next class again?
same thing Monday.
Monday.
Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Rini.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Anand,
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry I could not answer your earlier question. I was little embarrassed when you asked. Okay, don't mistake me. Because I'm not practicing. The question moment you asked, I became embarrassed. Okay, sorry.
Even I'm not practicing. I don't know. We're not getting that much time. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a problem. Anyway,
So,
maybe Saturday, Sunday we can sit and cover it a little bit.
yeah, this weekend I have to sit actually.
Yeah. Okay.
The weekend also we can get so many activities. I don't know. We have to make
Regular
some time.
activities, regular
We have
stuff is.
Yeah, we have to make some time, man.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
We
we
need to have,
forget.
exactly, we need to have that determination, otherwise it's difficult. Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway, it's only 24 hours. We have to only make use of that. Yes.
exactly. We have to make some time. At least 2 hours is okay.
Yeah, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah.
Yeah, at least daily 2 hours or weekends
They
is like a few more hours.
see every day I'm thinking I need to practice, but the moment I come back home and another thing, like once the class is over, I become tired and sleeping.
Yeah, you see, now it's almost our time is 10:30. And these days we are supporting the Spain go live. Like every day I'm waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, you told on the other day. Yeah.
Yeah. So
that's a problem. What to do? We cannot do injustice to the work also, right? So we have to work.
Yeah, that is also top priority.
Yes, sir. That is the first priority, not top priority. First priority.
No, top priority.
Top priority. Yeah. You're right. Bread and butter is first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Let's see tomorrow and day after tomorrow luck whether we are able to sit and practice.
Yeah, we need to try a little bit.
Okay. If you ask me next week, I should be in a position to answer your question. Okay. Thanks. Okay, Anand. Okay. Thanks, Anand. Yeah.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Suraj?
Yes.
Okay.
Naveen?
I think so we can use this for. Yeah, Suraj.
Yeah, I'm connecting. I'm with you. You got connected, right? Yeah, I can see your screen. Can you give me the controls?
Yeah. How to give the control here?
Yes.
That
Give me the controls.
You're able to get my control?
Yeah. I'm just wait. I'm doing it. It is in CC. Okay. Okay, go to SPRO. No, SAP MG. You can click. Actually, it will be faster.
Yeah.
So better to do it that way.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, inventory management.
Yeah. What is your organization? Number assignment. Third.
Yeah. Sorry.
Internal.
Okay, see this is what for year 2012 I have assigned.
Interval. Yeah, right. 50 is okay. Go down. One minute. Go back. Go to interval.
Display or
Interval,
change?
interval. Yeah, change. Come down. Okay, 2012 is there, right? Yeah, go back and go back. Go back.
Okay.
Click on the first assignment. Here only. Define the. Go in the second first tab. Second tab. Above. Yes. There only above second. Yes. Financial accounting.
Oh, okay. Document types or number ranges? Number ranges.
Number ranges.
Okay. Company code is 3000.
Yeah, put your company code. Intervals.
The 2012
It's
is
also
also
there, right?
defined. Yeah, I defined that also.
Okay. Go back.
Okay.
This good receive document type. Allocate type document type